So we are doing question from GATE 2015 Sat 1 and this is from electrical branch. So this is the system which is given to us and we have to find the transfer function y of s upon x of s. So this is y of s, this is g1, this is g2, this is h and this is again y of s. So if we find the output here, then it will be equal to h into y of s because y of s is getting multiplied by h. So it will be h into y, and here x of s is getting. So this output will be the output at this point will be x minus h of y, and after multiplying by g1 it will be equal to g1 into x minus h of y. Now again h of y is getting subtracted from x, so x minus h of y, because this is x is getting added and hy is getting subtracted, so x minus h of y, and here g2 will get multiplied, so it will be g2 into x minus h of y. So the y of s will be equal to, now both are getting added, so y of s will be equal to g1 into x minus h of y plus g2 into x minus h of y. So we can write here that y is equal to g1x minus g1hy plus g2x minus g2hy. So y will be equal to x g1 plus g2 minus hy g1 plus g2. This will be the value of y. So we can take g1 plus g2 common. So y equal to g1 plus g2 into x minus h of y. Sorry, we can take y common here. Y plus hy g1 plus g2 is equal to x of g1 plus g2. So this will be y 1 plus h into g1 plus g2, and this is equal to x into g1 plus g2. So if we find y by x will be equal to g1 plus g2 upon 1 plus h g1 plus g2. This is the ratio of y by x, g1 plus g2 upon 1 plus h g1 plus g2. So this option was this was an MCQ option. So this option was given in option C. So option C is correct. Y by x is equal to g1 plus g2 upon 1 plus h g1 plus g2. So we don't have to do anything, just here h and y were getting multiplied, so we multiplied h and y. Here x was getting added to difference of hy, so x minus hy. This is a summation block, so x minus hy, and again here x was getting added with plus sign and hy was getting minus sign, so x minus hy. Again this term was getting multiplied by g2, so g2 into x minus hy, and this term was getting multiplied by g1, so g1 into x minus hy. This again is a summation block, so again these two will be added, so both are getting added with plus sign. So y by s will be equal to g1 into x minus hy plus g2 into x minus hy. So we can open it, then we can take y and x terms common. So we can easily find the ratio of y by x. So this was very easy question. Just you should know how to get the output of this summation block and how to get the output of this multiplier block. See, if x is getting added with a plus sign and hy is getting added with minus sign, so we have to do x minus hy. Similarly, x minus hy here. So if you have any doubt in this question, then please leave comment in the comment box. I will solve all your doubts. Please share any feedback on our videos, and you can also message me on 99. You can WhatsApp me on 99289352246. This is my personal number. So if you have any doubt or if you need any guidance or any counseling, then also you can message me on this number 99289352246. This is my personal number. So you can message me on this number, and please like and share the video and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thank you and best of luck for exams.